Why make rope from duct tape? Well, if you've got to hang something that's simply too heavy for duct tape, this might actually save you. Okay, so now what do you need to make rope from duct tape? Just duct tape. The method that I'm going to use is called free strand braiding because it uses free strands. You aren't going to twist the rope very tight, and it works better than the other method that I showed, used for natural fibers with more unconventional materials, such as this one. So, what do you need? Well, 3 strands of duct tape. Now with your 3 parts ready, you need to make them a little bit thinner and also not sticky. So just put them in half. It doesn't matter if they are not perfect. Okay, so now you have your 3 parts ready. Just put them here and start braiding. So what you need to do is take the outer one and put it in the middle, in between the other 2, like this, and then the other one. You can do this by putting it underneath or on top if you work from this part. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes, of course, but let's say that you finished. Now just tie it off with a little bit more duct tape, or with a small string if you have one, and this is it. As you can see, the rope doesn't really look good, but it won't. It's made out of duct tape, and of course over a longer length it won't look as bad as this one that can't really be used for anything, but I didn't want to waste my roll of duct tape because I don't really need this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.